Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. Today I'll show you how to see connected Wi-Fi password in your Android phone. At first swipe down and then turn on Wi-Fi from here. After that go to your settings app and then go to connections. Then tap on Wi-Fi. Now from here you can see your connected Wi-Fi. Then tap on the name of the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. This will open the network details. Now here you can see password option. Then tap on this icon. Then you may need to authentic using your fingerprint, pin or password. Now just draw your pattern. And here it is. Now you can see my connected Wi-Fi password is visible now. Also if you go to home screen and then swipe down, then you have to touch and hold on the Wi-Fi icon. Then tap on the Wi-Fi name. Then tap on this gear icon to open details. And here it is. You can also see your connected Wi-Fi password using this second method. And that is how you can see connected Wi-Fi password in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.